Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a silent video. There were some people working upstairs. So I'm just going to tell you what I did, so you can look out for that in the video after this. So for the most day I was just drilling holes in the top of the panels. And then I did the one little 90 connecting the pipe that was next to the panel. So I did the 90 going into the side of the panel. Did the home run for the washer and dryer, so dedicated home run for the washer, dedicated home run for the dryer. The dryer's 10.3 and the washer's 12.2. And then also did the other plug at the end of the video, which was just going up into the ceiling, into the box, as soon as it broke through the top plate. And then I went ahead and strapped the two pipes from yesterday with the four, I don't know what they're called, little J straps or whatever. So that was the first time I was using those. They worked pretty well. And I think that's about it. So just drilling holes and did a couple plugs and then poked the stuff in the panels. So I think that was about it, but if not, I might have missed something. But anyways guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of the video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm not working Thursday and Friday, so I'll probably try to get a Corvette video out on Thursday. My alarm just went off. So anyways, I will try to get out a Corvette video Thursday or Friday, and then maybe a tool video. Maybe the tool video or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll just do a question and answer. Someone wanted a question and answer, so if you have any questions, I'll try to get like 20 or 25 questions, which might not happen, but if you got any questions, just leave a list of questions and I'll make probably like a question and answer video on Friday. And then I'll try to do a Corvette video on Thursday because I'm going out of town again on Friday. So me going hanging out with my friends in Tillamook. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. I will see you later. Check out the rest of the video, of course, and see you later. Peace out. Katie, you did it now. Rip. Alright guys, got the tire all fixed up here. You can't really see anything, but there was a screw in it. And I basically took it off and put it back on by myself for the most part. So that was cool learning experience. Jacked it up and all that good stuff. And basically did mostly all of it except putting the blocks underneath the wheel when it was up or whatever. So it was fun. Definitely don't like having a flat tire, but it was like good learning experience, and respect those good times and don't take stuff for granted. So anyways guys, thanks for watching.